Yellowfin is a unique data and analytics solution. It's why we were named a visionary in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and Business Intelligence Platforms. Yellowfin is incredibly easy to embed into your software with little development effort required, meaning you can get to market fast.
This is Yellowfin out of the box, running as a standalone analytics solution. Beautiful dashboards, self-service reporting, and automated data discovery. How could Yellowfin look embedded into your software? Let's take a look. This is Yellowfin rebranded and embedded into a procurement software application. It's so smoothly integrated and the data so contextual that it brings the power of analytics directly into this application's interface and workflows.
There is no other data and analytics platform with as broad a range of capability, enabling you to provide your customers with the very best integrated analytical experience. How do we do this? Yellowfin enables you to modernize your analytic environment, ensure all your users engage with their data, discover insights faster through automation, and increase innovation in your business. In this video, we show this in 3 parts. First, we highlight the different ways your users can consume Yellowfin content embedded within your application. This includes contextualized analytics, out-of-the-box dashboards and reports, as well as sophisticated alerting. Then, in part 2, we show you how your users can create their own dashboards and reports via self-service. And lastly, we demonstrate how you connect to your data and prepare it for your users to analyze within a multi-tenant environment. For this demonstration, Yellowfin has been embedded in a variety of ways into an imagined standalone procurement application. It's a showcase to highlight what's possible and present some of the options you have to provide your users with an incredible analytic experience. From contextually embedded analytics to integrated dashboards and self-service reporting. We believe that blending advanced analytics within your application is simply best practice. It eliminates the need for your users to go into a separate dashboard module and context switch out of your application, ensuring analytics are relevant and contextual to your user. This procurement app's homepage does just that. It contains native components with Yellowfin content embedded alongside. The order tables and tasks are native to the app. The integrated Yellowfin components include charts, dashboards, and widgets for Yellowfin stories, Yellowfin signals, and threshold-based alerts. Embedding contextual analytics in this way provides an incredible analytic experience for your users. In addition to embedded content, Yellowfin provides you with an integrated but standalone dashboard and reporting module. With custom navigation, your users seamlessly go from your app to a completely rebranded Yellowfin and back. Build stunning dashboards with a huge variety of out-of-the-box data visualizations, including big numbers, gauges, maps, as well as standard bar charts, pies, and more. Benchmarking, variance analysis, and comparative analysis techniques can all be used to help your users to understand their data better. They can interact with their dashboards by applying filters, drilling down into the details, and leverage our Assisted Insights capability to automatically analyze changes in their data, helping them to identify the underlying root cause of that change. Our freeform Dashboard Designer offers unlimited flexibility to create beautiful dashboards. Your design, UX, and development teams are not constrained by a simple grid layout. And you don't have to be a technical wizard. Creating content is simple and intuitive enough for your end users to do. Enable your users to create their own reports, dashboards, data stories, presentations, and much more. With self-service, you can remove the burden from your development teams. This functionality is controlled using fine-grained security settings to expose as much or as little as you like. We'll pick up these self-service creation capabilities later in the demonstration. Blend analytic content directly within your application so that users don't need to switch context by leaving your application workflow and going into a separate dashboard module to get their insights and then take action. Yellowfin content embedded in this way remains fully interactive with tooltips, brushing, drill through, and more, delivering the details behind the numbers. And link your application's native filters to your Yellowfin reports so that everything stays in sync. Guide your users to insights and action through the power of contextual filtering. This allows a user to access entire dashboards from within your app in a way that really lets them understand what's happening with their data. This dashboard includes custom filters that match the application's design and also uses UX techniques to highlight the store we are looking at. such as dynamic titles and legends, as well as color on maps and charts. It's this kind of analytical design thinking that you can easily deliver in Yellowfin. It creates a great user experience for your end users. Whilst you can build compelling dashboards with native Yellowfin functionality, there may be occasions when you want to extend our capabilities to deliver on the vision of your product and UX teams. For example, you may want to add a custom visualization using JavaScript charts, or integrate the output of data science modules directly into your dashboards and add predictive analytics into your application without the need for long, complex development cycles. Most likely, you want your users to act on what they discovered in their data. Do this by creating actions that talk back to and update your application via your APIs, closing the loop on analytics. Contextual analytics combined with embedded actions completely blurs the line between your application and your analytics and provides an incredibly powerful and sticky user experience. Creating beautiful dashboards that your users will love is important. Helping them to monitor their data for significant changes and discover why those changes occurred is critical. That's why Yellowfin created signals and alerts. Threshold alerts are great when users need to be alerted to changes in their data, especially when they know exactly what they want to track. For example, users could be alerted when inventory falls below a significant threshold, or sales exceed a specified dollar amount. Don't bury important changes in a report. Bring them to the forefront by embedding alerts directly into your application's homepage. Then there are things you don't know. And while threshold-based alerts are great when you know exactly what you are looking for, setting these up for every change in your user's data is simply not viable. That's why we created Yellowfin Signals. Signals run all the time on your live data, constantly looking for changes. When a change is detected, like a spike, drop, or change in trend of any important metric, your users get notified immediately. These are critical changes your users need to know about. We have integrated signal alerts into this page in two ways. The first method displays a list of signals. You can easily configure these signals to match the context of the data on the page and personalize the list based on a user's personal preferences. The second method involves embedding signals directly within your application. Highly contextual, automated alerts that help drive action by your users. This is a powerful demonstration of blended analytics in action. From here, the user can explore the underlying root cause of the signal in more detail. Understanding what caused a signal is crucial. Yellowfin automatically generates explanatory content to guide the user so that they can understand what happened and why. Everything on this page is automatically generated by Yellowfin. Charts, root cause analysis, and more. Users can view the history of this particular metric slice, so they can see if and when this type of event has ever happened in the past. Related metrics shows how the change in this metric affected other metrics for the same slice of data, and a correlated panel shows whether other similar changes happened in the same or other data sets at the same time, helping guide users to understand what the cause may be. Importantly, relevance indicates how big an impact this change had on the total metric. And by using the Analysis tab, find out what the possible drivers for this change were. Yellowfin has automatically analyzed the background data and performed root cause analysis for your users. Yellowfin's data storytelling capability is unique. It allows you and your users to combine data and narrative to build impactful, data-driven reports or presentations. Business leaders prefer to consume data stories instead of looking at data. They want variations in the data discovered, explained, and interpreted for them. Dashboards don't do that. Data stories do. This is the reason data stories are so effective. They provide the context and explanation for changes in your data. They can be used by your end users for internal management reporting, or by you to offer insights as a service to your clients, such as benchmark analysis and industry trends. Having seen how dashboards and other content can be embedded into your application, let's see how they can be built. Creating dashboards and reports with Yellowfin is easy for your end users to do and powerful enough for your product development team to build amazing out-of-the-box content without constraints. Yellowfin dashboards allow you to quickly assemble reports and visualizations in a compelling way. With unmatched design flexibility and the ability to add actions, you can create dashboards that will have a big impact on your users. Creating a new dashboard is incredibly easy. Simply click Create and choose from a variety of predefined layouts or a free-form canvas. In this case, we have chosen a predefined layout. You would use this when you want a basic dashboard with everything perfectly aligned. Simply drag on the reports you want and place them on the page. For complete design flexibility, choose the Canvas Layout option. With this layout, you can control the exact position of all the objects on the page that meet the exacting standards of your UX team. Place pre-built charts or tables where you want them, or create a new visualization from scratch. Choose your data set, fields, and tailor the look and feel of your chart from the Properties menu. Add the design elements you need to make your dashboards pop by adding text, images, or shapes, and more. With Yellowfin Canvas dashboards, you have all the design flexibility you need to create stunning dashboards. To extend your dashboards and create unique analytical experiences, you can add advanced widgets like a Signals widget. Filter it to match the dataset and subject area of the dashboard, providing more context for your users. Add action buttons using low and no-code functionality and integrate calls to your software application to create blended analytic and operational workflows. We saw earlier how simple it is to extend Yellowfin and create unique analytical experiences. You can do this via code mode. With Yellowfin, you can modernize your dashboards with stunning design and deep functionality. You can engage your users with more interactivity and collaboration, automate analysis with assisted insights and signals, innovate with data by embedding workflows and actions. Operational reports are a significant need for business users along with dashboards. With Yellowfin, your users can create and share operational reports with ease. Yellowfin supports all of your users' reporting needs. It is simple to create basic tabular reports, crosstab reports, advanced tabular reports with conditional formats, bars, and spark lines, and a variety of charts from simple bars, lines, and pies, through to the more sophisticated heat grids and maps. Your users can easily create their own reports and take the burden off your services team. Simply choose a pre-prepared dataset with multi-tenant security baked in. Create a table by dragging on the fields you need. Filter the data to make it more relevant. Then create one or more charts as required. If your users are trying to uncover hidden insights in their data, let Assisted Insights do the heavy lifting for them. They simply choose the data they want to analyze, ask their question, and let Yellowfin discover insights automatically. The manual analysis work is done for them, and Yellowfin returns a set of charts they can use for deeper analysis. These charts automatically come with natural language narratives that explain each discovered insight as well. Sharing and managing reports in a trusted, governed, and secure way is incredibly simple. Any content created by you can be shared across all your tenants as master content. The data can be filtered for each client and remain secure. The reports your users create will be available to their peers only and not shared across tenants. Your users can share the content they create with others. Or, for ongoing report visibility, schedule a report for distribution on a regular basis, ensuring that those who need to see it often are prompted to view the report. Finally, your users may choose to export the report to a spreadsheet or other commonly used format, such as Word or PDF. With Yellowfin, you can modernize your operational reporting, engage with more users with both traditional and self-service reporting, use automated analysis for faster data discovery, and innovate by providing full self-service reporting to all your users. Throughout this demonstration, we have been logged in as a client user with the Procurement app. Let's log out of the app and into standard Yellowfin as a developer. Purposely, we have left the Yellowfin styling and branding so that the difference between the two experiences is clear. You can also see that the native navigation in Yellowfin does not look like the Demos app. That's the benefit and control you get by using custom navigation for application integration. An important part of analytics integration is preparing your data for analysis. With Yellowfin, you can create robust, high-quality datasets for your dashboards and self-service analysis. Connect to your data, transform it if necessary, and prepare it for analysis by publishing it into the Yellowfin data catalog. Yellowfin allows you to build data models that are secure and enable end-user self-service reporting within a multi-tenant environment. Yellowfin does not need to load data into a proprietary database, so you can query your data directly where it resides. A huge variety of data connections are supported, relational and non-relational, on-premise or in the cloud. By creating a new data source, you can connect to files, databases, cubes, and API data sources. If you need to extract data from your transactional application and transform that data so that it is optimized for reporting, you can do so with Yellowfin's ETL module. You can link a series of transformation steps together, then perform functions such as merging, filtering, calculations, or geocoding. Simply drag on a step and configure it to achieve the action you want. Run and test your transformation to ensure you will get accurate results. If your data is ready for reporting, you can use Yellowfin's metadata layer to create a reusable data model. This model is where all the business logic needed to generate a query correctly is defined. In addition, all the row-level security logic required for multi-tenancy is stored here too. As a result, this metadata can be reused over and over again for your end-user self-service reporting. Your users do not have to understand the underlying technical database logic. Instead, they simply select the attributes they want for the report they need. To set up your metadata, you firstly create the entity relationships, joining the tables and selecting the fields you want to make available for reporting. You can see the SQL that will be generated, although in reality the SQL is optimized based on the fields selected for the query. View the data to sanity check your join logic. Use virtual tables for complex queries or joining to multiple fact tables. Once you have selected all of your fields, you can prepare your data for analysis. Use data profiling to understand the shape of your data and follow suggested actions to help clean and improve data usability. Add calculations, predefined filters, or transform dates. You can then rename fields if they have a technical database name and put those fields in folders. This makes it easier for your users to use when creating reports. When you publish a view, it acts like a data catalog. Users with the right level of permission now have access to create new analyses from this view and can trust data is used correctly and consistently. Yellowfin makes it easy to productionize and operationalize your data science models. You can call popular data science models such as PMML, PFA, and H2O AI to augment your dashboards and reports with your custom predictive and prescriptive analytics. You can integrate these into your data transformation workflows, call them live and on the fly directly from within a report, and embed your predicted results into a dashboard and reports for your users to act on. Yellowfin provides you with all of the tools you need to prepare your data for analysis, from connecting to your data, transforming it if required, creating and publishing data catalogs to integrating data science models, all in a trusted, governed, and highly secure way. This demonstration you saw on how embedding Yellowfin provides you with everything needed to modernize your reporting and analytic environment with a suite of industry-leading products including actionable dashboards, self-service reporting, automated data discovery, and data preparation. Personalized alerts, whether automated or threshold-based, dashboards that drive action, self-service reporting, and operationalized data science models that deliver predictions to users immediately all work together to create an exceptional user experience. The Yellowfin Data and Analytics solution allows you to innovate with data by taking advantage of a no-code, low-code approach to transform your application through data. Yellowfin, the only analytics suite that enables you to integrate action-based dashboards, automated alerts and self-service reporting into your application.